Hello, in this video we are going to see how to fix a access error get. So in S3 when we do permissioning, normally we get a access denied error. Let's see what this problem is first. I am going to this bucket, clicking on permissions. Now let me click access control list and do a normal permission for everyone and save. You can notice that access denied error is here. So let's go back and try doing block public access, remove this and then save. And now let's come back to access control list. And try save. See, still access denied error is here. So let's see what we can how we can fix this problem. So there is a hidden settings available on left hand side. Click on the small arrow which you see here. Click on this and there is something called the block public access account settings. Click on that. Click on edit. Uncheck this. This is the reason why we are getting this problem. Confirm and then come back to the service. Now let's do the same permissioning one more time for the same bucket. Yeah, here block all public access is off, and now coming to access control list, giving everyone. Now you can see that it is granting public access. So hope you understood this problem. And the same error you will get in bucket policy as well. If you are trying to do a add a bucket policy with your JSON files here, then you will get the same access denied error here. If you are getting that error, just go back to this left side small arrow button and click on block access and do the same setting as I mentioned above. Hope this will help you to fix your problem. Thank you for watching.